In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal Smart Payment buttons to your WordPress website. If you're looking to boost the convenience and flexibility of payment options on your site, integrating PayPal's Smart Payment buttons can make a world of difference. Let's get started, step by step. First, you'll want to ensure that you have a PayPal business account. If you don't have one yet, head over to PayPal's website and sign up. It is crucial because smart payment buttons require a business account to operate effectively. Once you're all set with your account, log into your PayPal dashboard. Under the Tools section, find the All Tools link, and from there, navigate to PayPal Buttons. This section is where you can create various buttons, including the Smart Payment buttons. Now, click on Smart Payment Buttons. You'll be guided to customize your button. Here, you'll have flexibility. You can choose different button styles and sizes, so consider your website's design for a more seamless look. You also have options for currency types and labels for the buttons. Make adjustments as necessary to align with your brand's appearance and functionality. Once satisfied, move on to copying the provided code. PayPal will generate a custom code for you based on your chosen settings. Copy this code because it's the key to integrating your buttons with WordPress. The next step involves heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you can decide where you'd like these buttons to appear. Navigate to the page where you'd like to add the payment option. This could be a product page, a checkout page, or even a dedicated donation page, depending on your site's objectives. Switch to the HTML editor of the selected page. If you're using the classic WordPress editor or a block editor like Gutenberg, you'll need to insert a custom HTML block or access the HTML of your page to paste in your code. This is pretty straightforward. Just locate the spot where you want the buttons to appear and paste the code you copied from PayPal. Once pasted, save your changes. It is essential to preview your page to ensure the buttons display correctly and function as intended. Click the Preview button on WordPress to see how the changes look. You should see the buttons appear perfectly in the spot you chose. Before we wrap up, one critical tip to remember: always test your buttons. Make a small transaction to ensure that the payment process flows smoothly and securely. Monitor your email and your PayPal account for confirmation. And there you have it. PayPal Smart Payment buttons on your WordPress site, ready for your customers' convenience. Adding these buttons not only enhances the payment experience but also opens up a world of convenience for both you and your customers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on enhancing your web functionalities.